Hi guys, welcome back to Spot That Deal. And when I saw this, I was totally, shocked to see that this product got 27,988 customer reviews, more than 1,000 answered questions. It's an Amazon Choice product. It's got a 4.5-star rating. Guys, this is probably one of the products with the most customer reviews that I have seen, and it's number 3 bestseller in this category when it comes to baby safety. So with this product, the Infant Optics DXR8 video baby monitor with interchangeable optical lens, you can't go wrong. You honestly can't go wrong. I mean, this is just the customer reviews. I don't even want to go in how many people bought this product. It must be, I don't know. I mean, I can't now go and say a number, but it must be a lot. So here's all the features. You can tilt the head of the camera in any degrees you want to. Yeah, there's the lens, the optical lens, and it's small, and it's you can store it easily. You can put it anywhere in the room, and it's got HD camera. I mean, you can see clearly what's going on with your baby and monitor your baby the entire time. It's a 2018 award winner by Popular Mechanics Best Baby Monitor. So this is probably the best baby monitor you're going to get on the market. If you're looking for a baby monitor, this is probably the best. I mean, there's no other one can compare with this one. Unlike internet cameras, no loading times to open app, instant playback, lag free, and does not hog up your smartphone screen thanks to the dedicated 3.5-inch screen. Okay, so this thing's got a lot of features. It's got a lot of features. You can go and browse through the features. I mean, this is totally an unbelievable product. Not how it's built, but as well for the safety of your baby. Okay, as a parent, I know that I'm hectic in the evenings. I mean, I go to my children and see if they're still breathing. That's how hectic I am, And you probably get those people. I mean, I'm like that, and I think you get a lot of parents like that. And this will assist you. I mean, if you're a parent that just got your first baby, don't have a lot of children, don't have experience, and are worried. I mean, I'm still worried. I've got 4 and I'm still worried, and they're not even babies anymore. So I would suggest go and get this product, $165.99. I mean, come on guys, this is worth the safety of your baby. Go and get it. It's an Amazon's Choice product, guys. This is a brilliant product. Click on the promo link, get it today. Get rid of the stress in the evenings. I mean, you can go to sleep with a rested heart that everything is fine. You can just check on your baby the entire time using this baby monitor. I mean, honestly, it's a good product. So go and get it, and please remember to subscribe to this channel. I honestly need more subscriptions. I need more followers to just to boost this channel and just to motivate us here, just because we make like 2 videos every day. We record 2 videos every day. We try to keep on that track from starting this channel. So please support us, and remember, press the bell button for notifications so you'll get our videos immediately. You'll see immediately when we upload a new video, and we only bring you the best deals on Amazon, and mostly Amazon Choice products like this one. This is an unbelievable product. Click on the link, get it. You won't regret it. Honestly, you won't regret it. I'm gonna go and get it now. I'm gonna go and get it now. Yes, I think I must go and get it. Enjoy your day, guys. Cheers.